Welcome back, fellow shop rats. Today we're back on the Stitches Challenger. We're going to move it out and, well, we're going to floor it. No, not like that. We're going to be working on putting in the trunk floor. It's going to be fun. My good buddy Mark is on his way. He should be here soon, and we're going to hang out today and work on stitches. I'm Mike.
This is My Cars Shop.
Well, it's been a hot minute since you've been around.
It's been a couple hot minutes.
A couple of years, actually.
Yeah. So for hot minutes a year, that's where we're at.
That's where we're at. I think the last time you were here was when we put stitches on the rotisserie.
Last time I was here, you tried to decapitate my ear.
We pierced his ear. That's right. A trouble light fell, and he had trouble. So I thought the plan for today was we'd start working on getting the trunk floor in the car, which means we got to go in the back room and climb through a pile of garbage to get at it.
Let's do that.
So
I'm all about that.
I think what we're going to do is we're going to split it rather than try to put it in. If you're putting it in on a whole piece, you actually have to take the back of the car off, and I don't want to do that.
You don't want to do that.
I'm too lazy. I thought about trimming it down to try to fit it through the opening. I know that can be done. I've seen it done, but I think just splitting it makes the most sense. So we'll just.
I can help with that.
Yeah, figured you could.
I'm good at destruction.
Destroying new parts is your specialty.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go do it.
Okay, good.
So we're going to cut this right in the middle of one of the trunk supports, the gas tank supports. So we measured this all out, and he's going to go ahead.
We really measured.
So we're about 23 inches on one side, 33 inches on the other. And that will put that seam right in the trunk floor support, gas tank support thingy, whatever it is. So hopefully that's going to do the job.
Math is fundamental.
It's fun and it's mental.
It's fun and it is mental.
So I used to joke about the fundamental church. We'll get the cutting wheel out, or maybe we'll do it with the plasma cutter. We'll see.
Whatever looks more dangerous, let's do that.
What's more dangerous?
Or, I'm sorry, exciting.
Exciting.
There we
like
go.
Pontiac, the driving excitement?
Absolutely. Does that look straight?
This has got a little bit of a whoop in it here, but otherwise I think it looks good. So.
I'm known for my whoop.
Whoop! Yeah, let's straighten that out just from here to there. That's better. Yeah, okay. Ish.
Precision at MKS is fundamental.
All right, so we've got to make a little incision right in here to get that to bend to match the trunk floor. We made an incision up in there so that follows around on the wheel well. That piece is fitting pretty darn good, I think.
I concur. Mike has done a fine job. You should see the surgery that's been performed off camera.
Mark did a lot of it.
I did some.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think we're coming together. So we got everything laid out. Mark's popping out the frame plug, and we'll be able to trim that in now. So we'll have about an inch overlap, and we'll make a decision if we're going to overlap weld or if we're going to do a cut and butt in there, which I'm not sure yet. So these things are a pain in the butt.
We'll keep at it.
All right, we're getting there. So we're just getting things kind of test fitted. Everything's fitting better over here now. And we've been just trimming and trimming. We got to cut that piece off over there like we did this one, but we're not ready to do that yet. We trimmed it around here. Yes, I know we could have taken all that out, but that's not what I'm interested in doing. So we're just getting this thing trimmed around to fit in the way that I want to do it, because my car can do it the way I want. It's my car shop. So the next thing we're going to do now is we got to take out the spare tire hold down, and we got to trim out all of the old floor pan over there that's not been taken out yet. So we're going to go do that. We'll be right back. Good. All right, it's all done. Now we just got to finish it. So we're going to do up in here, partly just butt weld, partly cut and butt, because of where the frame rails are and the trunk supports. We can't do a complete cut and butt through there, but that's going to be fine. Our seam lines up really good. It's off just a little Nova Scotia back here, but we'll be able to trim that up fine. Our extension over here lines up good with the floor. We got to drop up there a little bit, and we did go ahead, and I knew we were going to have to, but we bent that trunk extension to match the floor pan now, so that looks good, just like the other side. So we're in like Flynn. What do you think, Mark?
I think we're in like Flynn too. Looks perfect. We only took the passenger side in and out 51 times.
Yep.
51 times seems like the magic number.
51.
So
51.
There we go. That's for today.
Yeah. There's going to be another big pile.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but it was fun. We got there.
Yeah, there's lots of cleanup to do underneath yet and so forth, but I want to just come at it with a fresh mind another day, and we'll see where we go. What do you think?
I think it's time we wrap it up. I think it's time we're done. I got a little drive on the way home, which is no big deal. It's fun coming up, hanging out. Better than last time.
Yeah, last time was a blizzard.
Yeah, 2 years ago was a blizzard. It was a mess getting up here. Today was a pleasure.
Yeah, it was nice and sunny. So cool. So did you have fun?
I did.
Good.
I did. I always have fun when we hang out. So we got to pound on some metal, got to grind some stuff. It's all good.
Some stuff you haven't done before.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. I'm now a master fabricator of metal. That's a complete lie.
Mark's a woodworker, so
I'm a wood guy. Yeah. But metal's fun too. You get to add it back if you mess up. You don't get to do that with woodworking.
Nope, this is a big bite. It's I was telling him that it's the first time since I've owned this car that I looked into the trunk and can't see the ground. So that's the way it was when I bought it. All right, that'll do it for this one. We'll catch you on the next one. I'll be here. He probably won't.
I won't.
Probably not. But we'll see you again. Oh, don't forget.
One more thing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Don't forget. It's very important.
Right.
Wrong.